My name is Bill Medel. I'm part owner of E&B Medel Orchards. We're a three-generation fruit farm here in Ruthven, Ontario. We grow apples, peaches, pears, and plums. We've been doing this since early 1960s. My mom and dad bought the farm at that point. It was 18 acres. Right now we operate 180 acres of fruit, and we have a packing house with controlled atmosphere storages, and we also have a tree nursery where we supply commercial fruit growers with nursery trees. We farm this all as a family unit. My wife is very heavily involved in it, as are my son-in-law and my daughter, and also my dad is still involved at the age of 86. We are part of the Ontario Apple Growers, which is a group of commercial growers that does marketing for all growers in Ontario. They do things like keep track of how many apples are harvested, how many are in storage, what our movement is across the province. And through them, we know how many apples were produced in Chile this year, or how many apples came out of Europe. We grow about 13 or 14 different varieties of apples, the main ones being Gala, Golden Delicious. We supply those to some local markets, but the majority of our fruit does go to Toronto, to the Ontario Food Terminal, and there it's dispersed probably province-wide. We chose the Cyclone to cut the grass in our orchards after quite a few years of being frustrated with some of the competitive makes. We bought this mower through Colvoy Equipment out of Burford, Ontario, and he stocks parts, which we haven't needed, but it's good to know that he does have parts. So it's been a good experience buying through Colvoy. Our gut feeling was it was a great machine. It's robust, it's sturdy. The blade system is great. They don't nick, they don't break like some of the other ones. And what we love most about it is we have had no breakdowns, no downtime. The nice thing about the Cyclone is your grass clippings or any brush that you shred up is free nitrogen that you don't have to apply. There's no man-made fertilizer put on because you've done that. Being on a fruit farm, you do have quite a few pieces of different equipment. We buy new equipment probably every year. Sometimes you're happy with it, sometimes you're not. But with the Cyclone, we are thrilled with the purchase we made 2 years ago. We highly recommend it to other growers. It does the job what we want it to do, and it basically has exceeded our expectations.